Heartbreak is not just an emotional experience. It's a test of your endurance, your discipline, and your masculinity. A stoic man faces this pain with clarity, confronting the reality of the situation instead of running from it. To truly overcome heartbreak, you must engage in actions that build resilience, sharpen your mind, and prepare you to move forward as a stronger man. Here are real, concrete ways to overcome heartbreak that, if followed with discipline, will lead you through the pain and out the other side, tougher than before. 1. Cut all contact immediately. This may seem extreme, but it's necessary. When a relationship ends, continuing contact with your ex is like trying to heal while reopening a wound daily. To move forward, you need space, mental, emotional, and physical. Stop checking their social media, delete their number, and remove anything that constantly reminds you of them. This is not about bitterness. It's about giving yourself the chance to heal without distractions. Cutting contact is the first step toward regaining control over your emotions. 2. Channel your anger and sadness into physical activity. Emotions like anger, sadness, and frustration can build up inside, creating a heavy weight. The most effective way to process these emotions is through intense physical activity. Start training harder than ever before. Whether it's lifting weights, boxing, running, or martial arts, engage in something that demands your full mental and physical energy. When your body is moving and your blood is pumping, those emotions get converted into strength, endurance, and clarity. It's not just a distraction, it's a transformation. This practice will fortify your body and mind. 3. Build a new daily routine that focuses on self-improvement. Your old routines might be tied to your past relationship. Now is the time to create new ones that center around you. Fill your days with activities that challenge and develop you. Set new goals for your career, your body, your skills. Wake up earlier, meditate, journal your thoughts, and track your progress. These actions will ground you and give you something constructive to focus on each day. Heartbreak often leaves a void, and a disciplined routine will fill it with purpose and growth. Subscribe to these principles and remind yourself daily that this is the path to becoming more stoic and resilient in the face of life's challenges. 4. Practice radical acceptance. Stop wishing things were different or fantasizing about what could have been. Stoicism is about facing reality, and the reality is that the relationship has ended. The faster you accept this, the faster you will heal. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. It means accepting them for what they are. Feel them, but don't let them control you. Recognize that everything in life is temporary, including relationships. When you accept the impermanence of all things, you start to gain freedom from attachment. 5. Focus on your mission and long-term vision. The most powerful way to overcome heartbreak is to realign your focus on your mission in life. A man without a mission is lost, but heartbreak has the potential to sharpen your focus like never before. Use this time to redefine your purpose, whether it's in your career, personal development, or a passion project. Every time you feel the pain of heartbreak, use it as fuel to push you forward. Build the life that you've envisioned for yourself, the life that makes you proud to be a man. Women will come and go, but your mission stays with you. Heartbreak is not something to run from or numb with temporary fixes. It's a challenge to be faced head-on, a test of your masculinity and resilience. By cutting off contact, channeling your pain into physical strength, building a disciplined routine, practicing radical acceptance, and focusing on your mission, you will emerge stronger and more grounded than ever before. These are real, actionable steps that will not just help you move on, they will make you a better man. Pain is inevitable, but how you respond to it is what defines you. Take action now and remember, a stoic man always holds his frame, no matter how much life tries to break him.